Hello, my name is Dr. Chavan Reddy. I am from Hyderabad. I studied my MBBS in NTRUHS University and I joined in Sumanta Sir's SS Academy course like 15 days back, and I am very much interested to coming here to Kolkata, and I got so much knowledge from Sumanta Sir's class, and Sir told some bullet points to how to prepare for the exam and how to prepare for the exam. So I'm very much glad that I'm here today, and Sir told me so many tricks and tips for the exam, and also I'm very much happy. So I am also recommending to all the Indian students to join in Sumanta Sir's class and to get the knowledge from the vast knowledge from the Sumanta Sirs, and be prepared for MRCP before going to the exam by joining in the SS Academy. And I am also recommend you people to come to Sumanta Sir's class. Will be held at Mumbai on 24th and 25th of September this year. So I am recommending to all the students who are staying in Hyderabad and in Mumbai, please come to the Sumanta Sir's class and make the class to be successful, and always make it successful. And I am highly recommending Sumanta Sir's class, because I heard today. So please come to the class on 24th and 25th of September at Mumbai. Thank you so much.